Hi, I'm Tim from Bosch Home Appliances. Routine maintenance and cleaning helps keep your appliance running at its best, while supporting better wash results, hygiene, and long-term performance. I'm going to take you through a few simple steps to help care for your washing machine. Once your machine has finished a wash cycle, it's a good idea to wipe around the rubber door seal with a soft cloth. This helps to remove any moisture, lint, or residue that may collect inside the seal. Ensure to leave the door slightly ajar to allow the air to circulate throughout the drum. You can also leave the detergent drawer slightly open to help it dry between washes. From time to time, you should also make sure to clean the pump filter. Before you begin, make sure the washing machine is turned off and unplugged. The filter is located at the bottom of the appliance. When opening the filter area, place a towel and shallow container underneath, as residual water may drain out. Carefully drain the water through the attached black hose, then remove the filter to clean away any lint, debris, or small objects. You can also look inside for obstructions before reinserting the filter and closing the cover. To help keep the drum fresh and hygienic, run a drum clean or drum hygiene program when prompted, or as recommended in the user manual. If your model does not have a dedicated drum cleaning program, you can run an empty hot cotton cycle. For best results, we recommend using the Bosch washing machine cleaner. The detergent drawer also should be cleaned regularly. Remove the drawer using the release mechanism. Then rinse and clean the compartments and drawer to remove any detergent or softener residue. Once clean and dry, slide it securely back into place. If your model features odours, the detergent and softener compartments will need to be cleaned slightly differently. Check for any residue or buildup and follow the instructions in your user manual for cleaning the IDOS compartments and sensors. For general appliance care, wipe the exterior with a soft damp cloth. It's also worthwhile occasionally checking the water inlet hose for leaks or signs of wear. By following these simple maintenance steps, you can help keep your Bosch washing machine clean, fresh, and performing at its best. If you have any further questions, refer to your user manual or head to our website for more details.